Get First Aid, we provide event medical services. So what happens is an event comes in, they say, hey, we have this amazing event on. We then will risk assess that event, determine what the most appropriate service coverage for that event is, and then we send our team over, and hopefully they are not required, but if they are, they have the right amount of skills and capability to help that patient. Get First Aid started around about 6 years ago. The reason why it was established was, I guess, I've been in this industry for about 14 years and I've been with a lot of different organisations, and some of those have not been so good experiences. Not good experiences for me and also for patients. And now we're over 140 strong and we're still growing. An experience. I think that's what most students want to come and have when they come and do placement, is gain different knowledge, different clinical applications in different environments. That's what we're there for, and we want to give them an overall happy experience where they can continue to learn and develop the skills that they learn here at their workshops in APC. Wow, my most craziest story. Too many for me to be able to just pick one out of the blue. Probably working on movie sets and understanding on what they do in movies and how event medical services are utilised in movies. Yes, I've met my fair share of celebrities in my career. That is just a perk of the job. Working in TV, movies has been an experience. The great quality medics will continue to strive, learn new skills, develop new qualifications so they can apply it in the clinical setting, and in that sense support a wider demographic of patients that we see at Get First Aid. Give them practical, hands-on, real-life scenarios from real trainers that have been providing care in the community. I think that industry knowledge is super important, and being able to offload that onto upcoming or new students is vital. Everything which they learn in the workshops. I guess the real world is understanding how to speak to patients. We're dealing with people at their most vulnerable and reminding people that, hey, these are people that have emotions, they have expectations on us as healthcare professionals, and teaching students on how to communicate with people, just not young, but also elderly, people from overseas, people from different backgrounds, different religions. How we communicate with them is extremely important, because ultimately we are a part of a healthcare system and we want a person going through the healthcare system to have a positive experience, even in a really bad day. The specific skills that they will need to practice with us is their primary surveys. So those people who are currently studying will understand what I'm talking about. They'll practice their sample and their pain assessment. They need to understand how to conduct a really good neuro assessment, and understanding the legal implications of anything that they find and how to apply that in a clinical setting. What students have here at APC is they start to learn the knowledge, they start that clinical application, and then when they come out on the ground, then they start implementing everything in a holistic approach. The ideal candidate will have open communication, openness to learn new skills, and develop new friendships and relationships. To be able to connect those students with those people will help them with their applications and their further development. We're really lucky at Get First Aid that we have a network of amazing medics that work just not with us, but also with ambulance services. To be able to connect those students with those people will help them with their applications and their further development. What have I personally liked is the openness of my communication with APC. So if we see that there are any concerns or any issues with students, we can actually provide that support and we can bring it back to APC and we can have a holistic approach that ultimately benefits the student. It's about looking at each individual student and how we can support them. And I think that's something that's special with APC, and that's why Get First Aid is a partner with APC, is the fact we can help and grow people. It's really important for people to understand it doesn't really matter your background, it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter if you're a student currently studying at high school, this is something that you can actually achieve. And it doesn't matter if you're someone who's been in the workforce for a long period of time, give it a go. You never know. One time you may have thought being a healthcare professional, being a paramedic was out of reach. This day, anything's possible. So give APC a call and have a chat.